always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what everyone's doing. I see 2 friends playing together. 1, 2. 2 friends. Let's count together.
1, 2.
2 friends. 2 is a number. Say 2.
2.
That's exactly right. Let's make 2 our number of the day.
Let's count together. 2. There are 2 wiggle bugs. 1, 2. How many wiggle bugs in all? 2. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
Let's count together.
2.
There are 2 apples. 1, 2. Now count them with me.
1, 2.
How many apples in all?
2.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 2. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 2 times. Clap 2 times. Nod 2 times. Point 2 times. March 2 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey
story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Drawing Game. I wonder how you play that game. Well, let's find out together. Let's begin. The Drawing Game, written by Anita Murthy, illustrated by Ajanta Guhathakurta. Jenna is spending her summer holidays at her grandma's house. She has no friends here. She is bored. "Play with me, Grandma," she says. Grandma says, "Go get a piece of chalk. Let's play a game." Jenna is excited. What game will Grandma play? Grandma draws a shape. "Can you guess what this is?" she asks. "It is a circle." Jenna makes a face. This does not seem like a game. "Yes, but it is also something more," says Grandma. Jenna thinks. Then she smiles. "It is a smiley face," Jenna says. Grandma claps. "You understand the game." "Look at what I have drawn," says Jenna. Grandma draws another shape. "A triangle," Jenna shouts. Then she laughs. "Look what I have made." "Well done, Jenna," says Grandma. Grandma draws more circles and triangles. "Look who has come to play with us." Grandma draws a shape with 4 sides. "Is it a rectangle?" Jenna asks. "Look carefully," says Grandma. "It is a special kind of rectangle. All the sides are the same length." "It is a square," shouts Jenna. "Look, Grandma, I have turned it into a window." "Do you want a tree near your window?" asks Grandma. "Yes, Grandma, thank you," says Jenna. Jenna looks at all the chalk drawings. Now she wants to paint them. Soon Jenna holds up her painting. "Oh my! I see so many circles and triangles and squares," says Grandma. "Yes, but they are also something more," says Jenna. "It is a bird flying to its home in a tree. And guess who is coming to lunch? Her best friend, Mr. Giraffe." "That's so clever, Jenna," Grandma exclaims. Jenna wants to draw some more. What do you think Jenna and Grandma draw next? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called The Ants Go Marching. I'll sing the first verse, then you sing along with me. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Now let's all sing together. But this time, the ants are marching 2 by 2. Sing along with us. Here we go. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. What number is next?
3!
Right! Here we go! The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah! The ants go marching 3 by 3. The little one stops to climb a tree, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. What's next?
4.
Let's sing! The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah! Hurrah! The ants go marching 4 by 4. Hurrah! Hurrah! The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to shut the door, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Now how many ants?
5.
Yes! Here we go! The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah! Hurrah! The ants go marching 5 by 5. Hurrah! Hurrah! The ants go marching 5 by 5. The little one stops to take a dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. Boom! That was wonderful. Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hey, everybody! Let's practice our letters by playing the alphabet game.
Yay!
I want to hear you, too. Let's all play the alphabet game. When I show you a letter, say its name. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's this letter?
I!
What's this letter?
J!
What's this letter?
L!
What's this letter?
T!
Now let's do it fast.
I! J! L! T! J! I! T! L! I! T! J! L! I! J! L! T!
Nice work, everybody. That's how you play the alphabet game. When you see a letter,
You say its name! The letter T! Hi there, Pig. Have you seen Mr. Goose?
Yes, I have. He's drinking juice.
Hey! Goose, juice. Those words end with the same sound. Did you hear that?
Goose, juice. You're right. They do end in the same sound.
That means they rhyme. Here's some more words that rhyme. This is a goat standing in a...
Boat!
That's so silly.
goat, boat. They rhyme. Here's a house that's a home for a
Mouse!
house, mouse. They rhyme. Look at this sink. It's the color
Pink!
sink, pink. They rhyme. You're good at this. Here's one more. What did Mr. Frog bake? It looks like a...
Cake!
That's right. Bake, cake. They rhyme.
That was fun!
And now we're done.
Pig, you made a rhyme!
Fun done. You're right.
Let's go make more rhymes!
Yeah.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird won't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. If that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. If that looking glass gets broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. If that billy goat won't pull, Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull. If that cart and bull turn over, Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. If that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. If that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.